Hi there, this is Malay and welcome back to my channel. Well, in today's video, let us take a look at how do we work and get the messages from the Microsoft Teams channel. So let's get started. Now to do that, let's drag and drop get messages in a channel. It'll ask you to select the Microsoft Teams and a channel. Now here we are selecting the team. However, if you have a requirement where your team and a channel is dynamic in the context, where you would like to retrieve the teams and channel dynamically, you need to use the team ID and the channel ID. How to get the team ID and channel ID, I will leave the link in the description. We have covered that in the previous videos. You can watch it and then can resume it from here, or just watch the video on how do we select the teams and channel and get the messages. Now the channel or the team first that I'm interested in is a Power Platform. And once we select the team, we'll get the list of all the channels. Well, in this case, we will go with the Power Apps channel. Let me first show you what are the contents or what are the conversations that we have in the Power Apps Canvas channel. So we've had a channel, then a message by myself, then again a message by myself, and then Adele has responded that this message is more like you have some bold text, we have some color or the background color behind the text. There is a reply from Adele, and then another message from myself, and then we have the attachment. So let's go ahead and retrieve these messages. So the responses will be stored in get messages from a channel response. So let's just rename this. We'll simply call it as the channel messages. Click on save and let's click run. Let's wait for the team to be connected using the my connection here and then get all the messages. Now we have all the messages and you can see we have the total 4 messages. Let's click on more. Now firstly, it's very important to understand that the latest message will always be on the top and the oldest message will be at the bottom. It will be at the last. So let's go ahead and open the very first message. In this case, it's the very last message. Now, who has posted this? So you can see from. If you click on more, you will see that the user Malay, that's me, posted the message. So you can get that detail from a user. What was the message? Then you can see it in the body. If you click on more, you can see, hello all, we are starting a new channel to discuss on everything related to Canvas Power Apps. That was a message being posted by Malay on that day and time. And here, if you want, you can also get the identity of the team as well as the channel. So here's the team ID and here's the channel ID. That also gives you an ability to retrieve if you want. Let's go and check the other message. This is again, if you click on more, again came from me. I posted the second message and the message was in you'd like to gather. We had a bold text and that's the reason you can see it is wrapped in the strong on how our citizen developer community can get benefited by leveraging the so and so, and then we had the text with the background color that's been identified with the span. So you can get the detail of even if it's a rich content through this channel messages HTML body. Now let's go ahead and open one more, which is again from me, and the content was in HTML. You can click. There was no content, and the reason why there was no content is because I just deleted the message, and that's the reason we did not have anything. So then we go ahead and retrieve the last message. Share your thoughts on this document. And you can also see that there is an attachment as well because we have the file. Here we have a file, so you have the attachment. So click on the attachments as well. Again, you can click on more and you will see that here's the content URL. So if you would like to retrieve the document that's been uploaded as an attachment, you can retrieve it from the content URL. You can see the name of the file. And then the body or what has been written would be over here. So you can see here's sample loan calculator and then the attachment, right? So you get the idea. You will be able to retrieve the messages that's been posted. Now you must be wondering, where is a reply from Adele? Well, you just get the messages in the channel by using get messages in a channel. You don't get the replies. To get the reply, we can use list replies of a channel message, and that we will see in the next video. For now, thank you so much for watching this video.